And now it is my pleasure to introduce this year's MSW speaker, Jasmine Awad.
Columbia School of Social Work has a great history of social work professors and social work classes, and so it was really important for me to get the best out of my experience at Columbia. As I was working with clients this year, I realized that so many of the skills that professors taught me are things that I know like the back of my hand now, and I was using those skills within the work that I was doing.
Rosa Zermeno.
Prior to my time at Columbia School of Social Work, I was working with single adult household populations, but after spending time at Columbia and working through both of my field placements that sort of directly worked with kids, adolescents, and even young adults, my focus in the types of populations I want to work with has shifted because of it. I've been able now to expand on the types of populations that I want to work with. I've been able to expand the types of skills I have. That's one of the bigger impacts of Columbia.
Quinell Deja Redden.
One of the great things in terms of support here at CSSW was studying for the licensing exam. I had a professor who really helped guide me and help me prepare for that exam, which allowed me to also pay that forward and share the resources I had with the person that I was studying with, and we both passed.